the next thing we're going to do now is your initial set of panels. Where you want to place these panels is right over the victim's torso, if at all possible. All right, we want to get initial shielding on the patient, and the target area we're going to try to get is actually his torso. That's where all his vital organs are, and we want to get that protected. If you have a conscious victim, we want to keep encouraging self-rescue. If he needs anything, if he needs a small shovel bucket, we're going to try to get that down to him, and he can try to get himself out as we start to put in our shielding systems. What the rescuers are doing now is they're installing our aluminum bridging. We're going to use these as sliding boards. This is really going to assist us in our panel placement. It's going to get the bottom of that panel right up against the trench wall. We're going to install the panel on the opposite side of the trench first. And when we install panels, we want to use teams of at least 3 rescuers. 4 is optimal. They'll bring the panel to the trench lip. They're going to put it down the sliding boards, install it on the far end, and we'll do that process now. All right, we're ready to install our first trench panel. As you can see, the rescuers are lifting the panel up over top the slide boards. Notice our rope, which is attached to the bottom of our fin form panel, and our strong back. Make sure your strong back is going to be oriented to the inside of the trench. All right, as a team, they're going to lower this panel into the trench. We have our one rescuer on the opposite side of the trench is going to be up ready to receive the panel. If you notice how the slide boards, they come down and they get that trench panel right to where the trench wall and floor intersect. And this is what we want, is that good contact point in the bottom. All right, now we'll take the panels, basically take the slide boards, pass them over. Our rescuer on the other side will secure the panel, and he'll reverse the slide boards, and we'll do the same operation on the other side of the trench. All right, we have our first 2 panels set. Once you get the panels in the hole, it is very, very important that these panels are directly across from each other. These strong backs need to line up. So what this is going to do is when we start to put our strut system in, these struts have to be at 90-degree angles from panel to panel. That's what gives it strength. If we talk about our double funnel principle, that has to be 90 degrees angles. If these things are angled or skewed a little bit, you're going to lose a lot of strength, a lot of stability. So this first set of panels, it is imperative that they are perfectly straight across from each other, they are plumb, and they are square to each other. All right, also what we can do here, especially if you're down on manpower, you don't have a lot of guys around, to secure these panels while you're getting your shoring set, you can simply drive a picket through our control rope, which we'll do here. And that's going to secure our panel in place, keep it tight against the trench wall, and then this the rope does not have to be constantly attended.